Today's video, I am doing another 30-minute clean with me. I have done a few of these on my channel so far and I absolutely love them. They are so helpful and motivating for me, and I hope in filming them, they're helpful and motivating for you. I have 30 minutes for my lunch break, so during this time, I like to do some of the cleaning tasks around my house that need to get done throughout the day. Today is absolutely crazy. I am working full-time and my son is home with me, so I have to take care of him and get all my tasks done for work all at the same time, which is a little hectic, but it works out totally fine. So I have a bunch of extra things that I do need to clean up. He is down for his nap, which is great, so I have a little extra time to get some of my work tasks done and also be able to take my lunch break and do cleaning tasks around the house. So I'm going to show you around real quick what I need to get done, and then we will get right into getting the work around my house done. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Alright, so the island's not too bad. I do need to clean this dish, so we'll just walk it on over here. To go with all the others, this is literally breakfast and lunch that needs to get cleaned up. I made him macaroni and cheese for lunch. I always put butternut squash in his mac and cheese, so that's what that was. If you're looking for a little hack to boost the vegetables on your kids' meals, add butternut squash to your macaroni and cheese. So you're gonna box that up, put that away. I'll clean up here. I want to vacuum the floor. There's all these like little hair dust from my dog that are just all clumped up, so I need to vacuum all of those up. The dining room looks great. We really haven't been in there. Oh, those two chairs are missing. My son has been really into making tents, so they're probably over here. I want to clean up the living room while he's napping. I'm just going to clean up his toys. And I want to vacuum. Yep, here are the chairs. He's been really into making tents lately. So I'm just going to clean up in here as well. And sorry, I feel like I'm making you guys dizzy. Then I also need to switch the laundry. I think that will be plenty for 1/2 hour. So let's get started. Set timer for 30 minutes. I'm starting off by cleaning all of the dishes, and then I'm going to pick up the kitchen. I love taking these 30-minute lunch breaks that I have and getting done all the cleaning tasks that I can within 30 minutes. Sometimes life is really crazy and busy, and we need to just take advantage of these little pockets of time that we have available to us. So if you have some cleaning that you need to get done and a very busy schedule, set your timer for 1/2 hour and see all that you can get done. I think you'll be very surprised at all the things you're able to accomplish. I know by the time I was done with this particular 1/2 hour, I had gotten done much more than I had originally thought that I would be able to fit into a 1/2 hour. Sometimes the struggle is just getting started, and it can be really overwhelming with all of the busy schedules that we have during our days and weeks to be able to wrap our minds around all the cleaning tasks that also need to get done, along with all the other tasks we have on a daily basis, especially with working full-time, having kids, taking care of a house, and all of the things that come with that. So I highly recommend you set your timer for 1/2 hour, see everything that you can get done in the 1/2 hour, and I think you will be pleasantly surprised. And once you get started, you'll just get into a groove of cleaning and be able to clean a lot more than you originally anticipated you would be able to get done. Getting started can be the hardest part in so many things that we do in life, so just press the button, hit play on your 30 minutes, and get to work. have been loving interacting with all of you in the comments, so I would appreciate it so much if you leave me a comment letting me know how your day is going and what cleaning tasks you have on your to-do list when you clean during short periods of time that you have. If you do that in 30 minutes, and I also know it's really common for people to do like a power hour where you set the time for an hour instead of half hour. Leave me a comment letting me know what kinds of tasks you try to get done during that time. I would love to know. Lately, I find myself thinking a lot about what my purpose is for life. If you are like me, or I'm sure you've heard this in other places as well, but I attend church regularly and it's something that gets talked about a lot. What is your purpose in life? God's given us each a purpose. He's given us gifts and talents to use. What are those and how are you utilizing them? I find myself kind of thinking that I'm not really clear on what those are sometimes. Sometimes I'm like really sure, but then other times I'm like, are these really my gifts? Is this really my purpose? Am I really on the right track? I don't know. So lately I've been thinking about that a lot and thinking that over time and the different seasons in my life that I've been in, my purpose has changed. I don't think I've had one purpose. I think I've had purposes for many different things. And I'm sure that there are things that God's led me to and people He's led me to help me and help them, utilizing me to help them through situations that I'm not even aware of. So right now, the current season that I'm in is being a mother. If you are new here, I have one son. He is 2 years old. His name is Luca, and it has been such an honor to be his mom. It has been so much fun. I have grown and learned so much over the last 2 years, and having him is just honestly the best part of my life this far. And I have been loving it, but there's also been some struggles that I've gone through that I just wanted to share with you because I'm sure some of you have gone through this and felt this way as well. Motherhood is such a joy and such a blessing, and I try my hardest not to take for granted any single second that I have with him because I know that it is going to go by so quickly. I have a niece. I lived with her till she was 4 and she is already 14, which is mind-boggling. Like, it is so crazy how quickly time goes by, especially when children are involved in your life as an adult. So I know that his life is going to go by so quickly too, so I'm trying to take in and enjoy every second that I have with him and not miss any part of it that I can. But I also sometimes find myself feeling like it is a little lonely. I have a lot of friends that have kids, and I thought that I would, when having a child, be like more involved with them, that we would connect more, that we would have more time for each other because our kids could play together, that kind of thing. But I really haven't found that to be the case. Most people have so much on their plates, so many things that they do in one day. Kids are doing so many different activities as well, that I feel like I found myself seeing friends a little less than normal. So that's been kind of a struggle. If you're in that place too, please leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. And I hope in me telling you this, I am encouraging you that you're not alone in this fact either. I feel the exact same way. And I know there's lots and lots of women out there who feel this way as well. So I just want to talk about that, open up about it, and open my comments to you to talk about it. So let's be friends. I'd love for us to connect here on YouTube and do motherhood together. I think that would be such a fun thing to do, and one of the reasons why I wanted to start a YouTube channel. We do all of these daily tasks, especially the cleaning. It can be so monotonous, something we have to do every single day, day in and day out. It feels like it's never ending, and we're just in our homes by ourselves with our children. So let's connect together and lift each other up, motivate each other, and be a shoulder to lean on whenever we need it. I appreciate you all so much for being here, clicking on this video, hanging out with me while I am cleaning for 30 minutes, and I hope that I am motivating and inspirational to you. and maybe this will be part of my purpose. So thank you again so much. If you are new, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and really do hope to be a light and motivation in your life. So as I've been talking, I did go and switch a load of laundry. I always put in a load of laundry first thing in the morning before I start working, and then during lunch I'll switch the laundry. And then after work is over, I can complete that day's laundry. It just works out best for me and makes the tasks feel so much less than what it is, because laundry is never ending. Now I'm in the living room. I'm just picking up my son's toys, putting away some blankets. I really want to vacuum in here, so that's the only reason why I'm doing this. My son is napping right now, so as soon as his nap was over, everything was back out, which is totally fine. I'm loving that he enjoys playing with all of his toys, and I have been enjoying seeing the growth and how he plays with his toys so differently now that he is 2. I thought at this point I would have run out of time and that my half hour would be over, but it is not. I have quite a few minutes left. I'm not exactly sure, I didn't check my time, but figured I would just keep going until my buzzer went off. I had a clean load in the dishwasher, so I'm just emptying that really quickly. And then I had left a few of the dishes that I knew were going to go in the dishwasher in the sink. If you have a clean load of dishes in the dishwasher and you have dishes in the sink, do you clean all of the dishes and not have any dishes left to put into the dishwasher? Or do you save the dishes that would go in the dishwasher to be put in the dishwasher after it is unloaded? Leave a comment down below. I'm curious to see who does what. I usually tend on just leaving the dishes that I know are going to go in the dishwasher, so plates, silverware, cups, things like that, in the sink, and just clean around them. The things that I like to hand wash, and then once my dishwasher is empty, I will just put all of those dishes in afterwards. But I'm curious to see which approach you take. I know that there are different things that different people do, so leave a comment down below letting me know which one that you tend to do. I checked my watch. I have a little bit over 4 minutes left on my clock, so I ran upstairs to my bedroom. I knew I hadn't made my bed. man, I feel like I am booking it trying to get all these things done. I am having a lot of energy and super excited at all the things I'm getting done within this half hour. So I knew I had not made my bed from everything that had gone on in the morning. We had a really crazy morning and I just didn't get a chance to get up here and get it made. I am somebody who typically makes my bed first thing in the morning. It just sets the tone for my whole day, puts me on a right track, a clear mind, so I can go about the rest of my day feeling like I accomplished at least one thing of making my bed. I also don't like getting into my bed at night to go to sleep when it is unmade. I do like if for some reason I didn't get a chance to make it throughout the day, which is a rare occasion, but if that does happen, I end up making it before I get into bed. Are you like that, or are you somebody who doesn't care at all if you make your bed or don't? Leave a comment down below. I would love to know. Now that the bed's made, I'm just gonna pick up some things here, just some random clothes and things that got left on the floor, and then I am going to quickly vacuum. My timer had just started to go off at this point for the 30 minutes. I am so excited about everything that I got accomplished. It set the tone for my afternoon, and I had a really great afternoon after getting all of this done. Thank you again so much for being here. I appreciate you watching and can't wait to see you in my next video. If you are new, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.